beauties, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Okay y'all, I have some hair for y'all that I'm going to be showing you. I'm hoping that this box do not overtake my flowers back here, but this is Ali Julia hair, and on the back she have like little things on here. It's 100% unprocessed human hair, and it comes in a packaging like this. When you open up the packaging, it comes like this. So inside of the box you get, what is this? Some eyelashes that looks like this. These are really pretty. Of course I love big eyelashes, but I would still wear them. These are really, really natural looking, and these are another pair of lashes that she give to you. In the box you have, okay, this is for me. You have the hair. Okay, now I'm going to take all this hair out of the box. So this hair right here is like a kinky curly. I will put everything down in the description bar. It took like a couple of days to get to me, and this length right here is a length 16. It's the wrapping is like this. I will put down the texture of the hair and all of that. So this is what this looks like. Of course I already ran my fingers through it, and the bundles are like really fat. It smells like factory hair, beauty store hair. So this is what this looks like. I'm going to take it. Oh, she have a ways though. You just can't take it off like this, he or she. Okay, so I'm going to just unravel it. Oh, it has so much on here, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to take it loose, but it's just like this. This is what this looks like. So this is a 16 right here. This is a 12. Right here. These little bundles is cute though. This is the 12. This is like my Brazilian, oh, this is the 12. Yes, that's cute. And then we have, what is this? This is the 14. So I was contacted by her or him, by the company, asking to do a review on the hair. And I was like, yes, I will. I will do it. So this is the 14 right here. So we have the 16 is right here, the 14 and the 12. So these bundles are fairly thick, guys. They are really thick. And y'all know I'm going to give it to you straight that you see the ends, the tip of it. Let's check the beardings out. The beardings will be this right here. If you see anything sticking out, then that will be the beardings. So the beardings look pretty good. All of them smell like beauty store, like a factory type. And this is the closure. This is a 10-inch closure in here. So let's check the closure out. And they have everything packaged really good. So be careful when you take it off, because they have this right here. You can see that. You want to make sure that you don't tear the closure. So I would advise you to cut that off. Okay, this is the closure right here. This is a really nice closure that they give to you. It looks like the knots are bleached a little. To me, it looks like. So this is the closure. I don't remember the size of the closure, but I will let you know. But I'm going to bring this hair out so you can see what she's looking like. Oh, I'm really going to enjoy this. Maybe I should put some color on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do color or just, oh. I will co-wash her, though, before I install it. But, yes. So this is the hair right here. I have not used the hair before, so I don't know what to tell you yet. This is just the unboxing, and I apologize, but I cut this off because I needed this little piece for something. But this is the spandex dome cap that I'm going to be using, and it's in the color black. And I got this from my local beauty hair store for $2.49. And this is what this looks like on the mannequin. I am going to probably do a quick weave with the glue, with the 30-second glue. And this is the thread I'm going to use, which is the thin thread, just to put the, I'm going to sew the closure down, but I am going to use glue to be able to put the tracks in. I mean, I don't feel like sewing, so I'm going to do it that way.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh, yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs, let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. So she know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island too. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man na me, they run town. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, yeah, put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, yeah, put it on me. Don't know. Listen, bad man, on the instrument. I give it them one time. You got me, baby. Yeah.
No.
Original.
Yeah.
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
She said no.
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
She said
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad man.
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low, bad man, I put you in a photo. I count.
Okay, beauties, this is the finished look. Everything is dried. What I did was co-washed her. A little gray right there. But what I did was co-washed her and kind of like cut the little bangs up in here a little bit. I need to cut it a little bit more. But this is how I'm going to be wearing her. This is like really fierce, really cute. Look at her. She is big and fluffy. Big and fluffy, honey. So I pretty much like her like this because, oh my goodness, y'all, this hair is like fire, 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 fire. For her to be so short, you know, I had to have her like really big for her to be short, you know. Just give you that nice old big curl. And of course, I don't even have her like finger combed out a whole lot. But I'm going to tell you, I love this hair. I really love her. I didn't put anything in her and I need to. So this is her just after being cold washed and dried. Now, if I was to put something in her to give her a little bit of shine, I'm pretty sure she would be really cute. But oh my goodness, well, she's cute now. But she would look like a little bit more. But I cold washed her with some Pantene conditioner. And yes, this big diva look, y'all. That's what I like. Big diva look, honey. Wonder how she gonna look with some earrings on. But y'all, yeah, this is the Ali Julia hair, and I will have everything in the description bar for you ladies to purchase this hair. This hair, look at this hair. This hair is fierce. My ear hurt. So yeah, this is the Ali Julia hair right here that I am rocking. Yeah, she is just so fierce. She is so big. She is what I like. Now, if I'm going to wear curly hair, I have to have her to be big. I cannot, and short, I can't have her that she's not. But this is like my Brazilian kinky curly, or I think it's kinky curly. If it's not kinky curly, then it's my Brazilian one, but it's long. It's like 26 inches, 28 inches or something like that. It's like that. It's just that she's shorter, that's all. So this right here, you know, with this hair, all you do is use maybe some Shea curl mousse. I haven't used this yet. I'm thinking about using it. And you can use, or even you can use some Ego Styling Gel to give her that shine that she needs. And maybe a water bottle. I don't even know what I did with the water bottle. Maybe a water bottle. But she is fierce, y'all. She is big. She is nice. Okay, so I don't have anything to say on her besides that she looks really good. She's put together, honey. And once I wear her, and y'all know I'm gonna wear her. Oh, but right here I put a little bit of concealer right there, just a little bit of concealer. And I don't have her down no kind of way, except that I have her on the cap, because the cap fits my head really good. I don't need to put her down with no freeze spray or no. Oh my goodness, this wig is fierce. Okay, y'all, so once I wear her, I will give y'all my update on her. Hopefully, maybe 2 week or week update on her. She is just so nice. So nice and big. She's really big, y'all. Okay, so again, this is Ali Julia hair. Y'all will have all the specs, everything tore down below. So I hope y'all enjoyed the little quick wig tutorial. And let me know your thoughts on her, what you think about her. She is super soft, though, y'all. For a shedding, I haven't gotten anything. Besides, you know, I cut the weft, so I don't have anything else to say to you right now because I have not worn her. I just tried her on, fluffed her out after I cold washed her, and that was it. So, oh my goodness, y'all. Yes. Anyway, how y'all like my background, y'all? I hope y'all like my background because I wanted to give y'all something that was different. You know what I'm saying? Just really, really, really different. That's what I was going for, and I hope that I did it. If you like my background, you want to know where I got it from, just let me know. Only if you ask, then I'll tell you. Okay, so y'all know, like your girl always says, J Baby always says, be blessed. Y'all like how I said, be blessed.